Hello, UPCA takers. Today, let's try to solve this math problem. So, if log 81 base b is equal to 4, what is the value of this expression? Okay, so we are given log 81 base b is equal to 4. We need to use the reciprocal identity for logarithms with flipped bases. So, ano itsura nun? If meron tayong log 81 base b, it's just equal to 1 over log b base 81. Nag-flip yung base nila. So, we took the reciprocal. Okay? That is the reciprocal identity for logarithms with flipped bases. So, alam natin that this is equal to 4. So, that is just 4 is equal to 1 over log b base 81. So, solve lang for log b base 81. That's just equal to 1 over 4 or 0.25. Okay? Very short solution. But you need to be familiar with the identities. Okay? That's it. I hope this helped you in preparing for UPCAT.